If you want your domain name to always point to your home network, even when your public IP changes, then setting up Namecheap Dynamic DNS is a great solution. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step, so you can keep your domain updated automatically, without having to manually change DNS records every time your IP changes. This is especially useful for home servers, remote access, game servers, cameras and any setup that needs a stable domain name. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, go to your domain list and find the domain you want to use for Dynamic DNS. Then click Manage next to that domain. This opens the domain settings page where you can control DNS, security, and advanced options for that specific domain. Next, open the Advanced DNS tab. This is where Namecheap keeps the advanced record settings, including the Dynamic DNS feature. Scroll down until you find the Dynamic DNS section. If Dynamic DNS is turned off, switch it on. Namecheap will then generate a Dynamic DNS password for you. Copy that password and save it somewhere secure, because you'll need it later when you configure your router, computer, or DDNS client. Now scroll down to the Host Records section. This is where you'll add the DNS record that will be updated automatically whenever your IP address changes. Click Add New Record. From the record type list, select A plus Dynamic DNS record. This tells Namecheap that this A record should be controlled by a Dynamic DNS client instead of being edited manually. In the host field, enter it if you want the main domain like yourdomain.com to follow your changing IP address. If you wanted to use a subdomain instead, you would enter that subdomain here, but for the root domain, @ is the correct choice. In the value field, enter a temporary IP address such as 127.0.0.1. This is just a placeholder to complete the record setup. It will be replaced later when your DDNS client updates the record. Once everything looks correct, click Save Changes. Your Namecheap DNS record is now prepared for dynamic DNS updates. The next step is to configure the device that will keep your IP address in sync. That could be your router, your computer, or a dedicated DDNS client, depending on your setup. When you enter the configuration details, use your Namecheap domain name and the dynamic DNS password you copied earlier. The DDNS client will use those details to authenticate with Namecheap and update your record automatically. After that, whenever your public IP address changes, the DDNS client will send the new IP to Namecheap and update the A record for you. That means your domain will continue pointing to your network without you needing to log in and change anything manually. This is what makes Dynamic DNS so helpful for remote access and self-hosted services. If you want, take a moment now to double-check that your router or DDNS software is pointing to the correct domain and using the correct password. A small typo in the hostname or password can prevent updates from working properly. Once it's configured correctly, you should be all set. And that's how you set up Namecheap Dynamic DNS. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time if your internet connection uses a changing IP address. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.